The new transformative landscape. Artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence is redefining normal today, adding intelligence, which was thought to be a human prerogative, to machines. This transformative technology has quickly gained widespread acceptance. Today, a considerable number of companies have developed frameworks and APIs that use traditional logic and rule-based systems to enable PCs and robots to be programmed to respond in ways that resemble thinking. But are these services relevant to your business? Is artificial intelligence just a buzzword, or can it help your future business? Here are some of the ways that we at IrisLogic believe in which AI will impact your business. Number 1. Predictive analytics. The biggest advantage that AI brings with it is the power of predictive analytics. Analyzing past trends, patterns, and historical data systems can now predict and determine ideal next steps to reap the desired results. No wonder every industry from real estate to banking and finance and from fashion to e-commerce has been motivated to adopt AI-based predictive analytics. Number 2. Chatbots and voice assistants. AI has given rise to machines being able to conduct sophisticated, lifelike, one-to-one conversations, even those which require contextual understanding. The obvious next step, the exponential use of chatbots both in enterprise and consumer domains. These chatbots today are replacing large back-end offices and can conduct a series of different tasks including travel search and booking, shopping, payments, task management, office management, and customer support. Number 3. Image recognition and diagnostics. The use of AI for image recognition and diagnostics has already seeped into our everyday lives. From iris and fingerprint recognition at airports, to advanced mobile-based image and facial recognition techniques for financing by companies like WeChat Pay and Ally Pay, insurance claims authentication, loan disbursement, fraud management, and credit history ratings of both retail and enterprise customers. The list is endless. And number 4, smart robots. Have you heard of the smart robot Flippy that makes hamburgers? Yes, a robot that makes hamburgers. Or of the 45,000 robots working at Amazon's fulfillment centers tracking and dispatching the orders received every day? AI-powered robots will be a significant game changer across multiple industries. In the fast food industry, complete automation may reduce contamination from human sources. Similarly, in telecommunication, AI could change marketing approaches because of its inborn capacity to convey the business nearer to the customers. In fields like agriculture, transport, medicine, finance, aviation, and manufacturing, the use of AI is already gaining prominence. According to a lead publication, software, robots, and other smart machines will take over 1 in 3 jobs currently conducted by humans by the year 2025. Self-driving and autonomous systems are a reality today. Are you engaged? IrisLogic has been a leading name in the field of AI for past several years. We have helped companies build chatbots, predictive analytics, smart robots, and much more as they prepare to lead the next revolution. To understand how AI can help resolve challenges specific to your business, contact IrisLogic. Our team of engineers and AI systems experts can help bring cutting-edge AI solutions to your doorstep.